What's up, guys? Today we have an iPhone X that's broken. Check it out. You can see all the black ink and the cracked screen. And basically the customer needed this repaired ASAP, but he is a long-time customer, over 2.5 years already. Very loyal, very humble, always recommending. And you know, sometimes we all go through it. We go through financial problems. He mentioned to me that he wanted to get his phone fixed, but then he's like, never mind, my phone's like really close to messing up, but I need to fix my car first. And I don't want to, you know, obviously the car is a priority because he needs to go to work. And so he has to, you know, I'll weigh his options, you know. And I'll be like, no problem. But you know what? Like, when you have long-time customers like this, those that you know are good to the business, good to you, take care of them. So I immediately hit him up. I'm like, hey, listen, bro, like, do you want the best price or do you want the best quality? He's like, okay, I want, you know, the best price. I'm like, all right, bro, so let me do this for you. Let's repair the phone. That way you get that stress out of your way. Especially if you're having car problems, you need you need your phone fixed. Because if God forbid something happened to you and your phone is not reliable, you're screwed. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna fix your phone. Don't worry about it. No upfront cost this weekend. That's his phone. No upfront cost this weekend. Pay me $50 next week, and then pay me the rest the following paycheck. Bro, he was so happy. He's like, oh my God, like, thank you so much. He's like, man, he's like, I love it. I love this. Thank you. He was so grateful. And the fact that we were out there to, you know, take care of him in a very bad time. So remember, I know that after a while, you know, business can get a little transactional sometimes, but it's good to extend a hand and help out where we can. Of course, don't go out there and do that with just anybody, you know, because you never know. But you know, those customers that you know and you value and they've been around, and you just, you know, I take the time to get to know my customers. So for me, like, when I can do a screen repair in like 20 minutes, 25 minutes, but all my appointments are booked out to be 30, 35, 40 minutes, because I want to take a little bit extra time to just talk to the customer, get to know them a little bit, see what they like, see what they don't like, see what they've been up to this weekend, just little things like that, just to build a relationship with these people. And it's honestly very fulfilling, and it's also great to know them, so that way, not only that, like, sometimes you'd be surprised, like, sometimes they are into this kind of stuff, and maybe, who knows, maybe they could be a potential employee one day, or maybe they're looking for work and you know somewhere else that is hiring. You never know. Keep an open communication, you'd be surprised. But without further ado, let's fix this phone. Of course, we're gonna have a waterproof seal, a screen, I fixed the toolkit, and our programmer. So let's do a good job. All right, I got the phone all cleaned up and I installed the new waterproof seal. Now, I did notice that there was stuff that was laying around. This right here specifically, that right there, let me see if I can zoom in properly. Right there, that screw was off, and that little plate was also off. So make sure that all the screws that are loose are tightened up, the phone's cleaned up, everything's in its place, all the old adhesive is taken out, all the dust is taken out. This right here, I'm gonna have to clean it up over here. We're gonna clean this up. The port is also dirty, so we're gonna be cleaning that up as well, because he's having problems charging. If that doesn't work out, then he's gonna need a new port. But let's put this back together, and yeah. All right, screen's good to go. And we ended up cleaning up a lot of lint from this charging port, but that was what was preventing him from charging his phone. Basically, he'll push the charger in and it'll fall right back out because there was so much lint inside that it just wasn't allowing the charger to click. All right, so today's ride along was pretty simple. We fixed up an iPhone X screen. We cleaned out the charging port because the charger wouldn't stay inside because there was so much lint built up. So we cleaned that out. We cleaned out the speaker ports and all of that. Customer's very happy. So today's message is simply, remember, we're all human. And yeah, business is business, and definitely protect your business. Don't let people take money from you. Don't let people take advantage of you. But it does not mean that you can have a heart and take a little bit of risk sometimes. I'm not saying go open up and have like 5, 10, 15, 20 people owing you money. I don't recommend doing that. But every once in a while, 1, 2, or 3, something manageable, something that you say, you know what, if for whatever reason they don't come through, you know, I'm not gonna go bankrupt, I'm not gonna not eat tonight, I'm not gonna, you know, every now and then as you grow, give a little back to the community, give a little back to everybody. We're all going through tough times, especially now with this recession. Have a little bit of heart and just, you know, talk to your customers, get to know them.